we got ourselves some Tannerite here. Gonna mount this in our washing machine over there. We're gonna blow this thing sky high.
Let's do it.
Oh, you poor thing. Alright, we're just going to set that right in the front where we can hit that pretty easy. And we have some alternate charges we're going to add to this one. This should make it very interesting. And it can set up just like that. Oh, that's just perfect. Right there. That's what we're looking for.
A little something extra for it. Just in case the Tannerite can't get the job done.
And we're going to go ahead and add some decoration today. We're going to make it pretty.
You guys didn't know we were going bowling today.
That's right. Here we go. We got some bowling pins. Oh, they're kind of shot up, but they're going to work just fine.
Just in case you guys are worried, these are USB-C approved. These are the real deal. Just kind of pin them up against each other. Get it? Pin.
Jeez. We're out here today on the OFAST shooting range. It's a beautiful day here in Oklahoma. We've got the Anderson AR-15 chambered in 223 or 5.56 with a 3 to 9 by 40 millimeter objective scope. Our target today, as you know, is the washing machine. We got her loaded up, ready to roll. Let's do this.
There's nothing left of that thing.
All right, guys. You can see that was awesome. That was incredible. That fire plume, that was exactly what we was going for. That thing is gone. It's crushed, man. This is incredible. Man.
Once again,
Totally shredded.
nothing left.
Wow.
Where are the bowling pins at?
That's what I was just wondering.
I think there's one
some
way back there.
We put that one way up in the air. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well,
Do we promise explosions or what?
we do. And we deliver.
Every time. Never fails.
I don't know if that... I don't think that's a piece. I didn't shoot it up that much. But it might be shrapnel. Went right through the sheet metal.
Gosh. Oh. There's our first casualty of this show.
Dear God.
You will be missed. Rest in peace.
Alright guys, we had a great reaction with this explosion. Totally wasted our target. This was awesome. We got a huge mess here to clean up. We're going to go ahead and get cracking on it. We'll see you next Friday.